Since the beginning of 21st century, we have witnessed a technological revolution. From grocery to education, everything is now available at one click, with an edge to deliver quality products or services at your doorstep. To take the legacy forward, we bring you Make My Career. Make My Career is a next-gen edtech platform decked with regular live classes, interactive quizzes, structured courses and curriculum, supported by informative video lectures and e-notes by mentors who have established themselves as career gurus for excellence in subject and teaching expertise. Our courses are available for all major competitive exams in various categories, which are engineering, medical, SSC, bank, railway, CLAT, civil services, teaching, defense, and state exams. To ensure best quality content, we provide our faculty with world-class studio facility, video editing services, a team of enabling content creators. We have a team of expert career counselors to direct you towards the best course. Make My Career is based and developed after 2 decades of deep R&D in EdTech. Let's view a brief analysis of it for a peep into the future. India's online learning market is second after America. Indian online learning market size was USD 247 million in 2016. The online learning market is expected to reach 94.75 billion rupees in 2024 with an expand rate of 50.84%. The online higher education market is expected to reach rupees 40.63 billion by 2024. Nearly 48% of the population in India between the 15-40 age group from lower income backgrounds are good target for online education. In terms of market share, this estimates to be whopping rupees 360 billion by 2024 from current 39 billion only. Benefits of online education. Online education is considered as an education without boundaries. It provides computer-aided adaptive testing and encourages digital growth. Online education is accessible all the time from anywhere, rural or urban. It offers low-cost technologically advanced solutions. These classes are more interactive and provide one-to-one interaction. It encourages education for girls who find it easy to access to it. Let's see how big Pan-India and local brands fare in online and offline education. In terms of market share, Pan-India brands have 20%, whereas local brands have 80%. In terms of technology, Pan-India brands are well equipped, whereas local brands are ill-equipped. In terms of marketing, Pan-India brands have big budget, whereas local brands have less or nil budget. In terms of reach, Pan-India brands are good in metropolitan cities, whereas local brands have good hold in small towns. We aim to provide better technology, reach, and marketing to every deserving mentor or institute. In return, we expect them to do what they do best, provide us with interactive video lectures, help us to generate good quality content, and to develop batch-specific exam papers. In our advanced service model, we have developed a 5-level user interface: super admin, admin, faculty, student, and parents. For convenient fee submissions, we provide various payment gateways as well: Paytm, debit card or credit card, net banking, UPI, EMI, or wallets. Meet our advertising and marketing partner, 9 Grapes Integrated Services, which is a 360-degree marketing and advertising firm established in New Delhi, India. In our MMC revenue projection, we are as certain of 2 times growth in the first year, 5 times growth in the second year, 10 times growth in the third year, and so on. In stage 1, we are targeting Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. In stage 2, we will cover the entire North India, while in stage 3, the focus will be to have a pan-India presence. Once you choose our MMC subscription, you will be provided with 1. Your technologically advanced EdTech platform with access to optimized learning material you can access within your mobile data limit. We also plan to provide a dedicated data stream for our platform so that your learning never gets paused. 2. We recruit only 15-year plus experienced and renowned faculty from every city to assure best live classes and video lectures. 3. Our dedicated content creation team plans bite-sized lessons for you so that you can grasp the complete gist in every session. These lessons last around 35 minutes followed by a Q&A session. 4. All live classes are recorded and available in your account to learn again and clear any doubts in case of questions. 5. In each course, we provide on an average of 500 plus video lectures to cover all the topics and queries. Here begins the era of student-oriented teaching in India. Make My Career, achieving excellence together.